I'm here. I'm here, writing the book I wish I had read, telling the story I wanted to hear, so that those who are like me will feel heard and seen, and those who aren't like us know we exist. I'm here, arranging my prose into structured poetry. I have the message, and it's my duty to do my best work so that many will have my posts on their reading list, and those who aren't like us know we exist. I'm here, asking questions diligently, capturing the details, searching from inside of me, reaching out to others to give me their viewpoints, making the story flow from scene to scene so that those who are like me will feel heard and seen. I'm here. I've been paralyzed and scared, thinking that my story isn't dramatic enough, not sad enough, not happy enough, not successful enough to be on a shelf of the school library or to make history. But I'm here now, saying no to the trolls and the fear, and telling the story I wanted to hear. I want to see myself in a book, so I have learned how to write. I don't need to plead to be written, to be represented. I can wrap my head around books and learn how to craft a hook. No, my stories, my poem, my posts appear on your feed. Guys, I'm here, writing the book I wish I had read. Rendrika, Spica.